I'm getting in my bag, that's a big influence. You reaching for my bag, you can't get.
This is one of the reasons why I think we can't freaking ever get this up the bun. God dang, it holds water. That's a freaking river down there. No kizzy! No kizzy. They all over here falling off. Little mama right there. Coco! Coco! Hey! Y'all see the progress? See the progress? We don't add it to the pile though. No cap, we really did. Add it to the pile. Oh yeah. As y'all can see, we did have 360. I got bear with a little cold out there, mother. For real, stop playing.
It's a pack.
But I tell you, you see the little smile face?
Shut up.
Look how she over there chilling. Need a rake 75 times more. Let's go. The yard really, cause the snakes be hidden. You feel me? I'm in the background picking up trees. So he want to pull the wheelbarrow. My other son, I guess he went to New York. He still ain't made it over here. He went to New York, right? Where he went to go get that rake? He went to New York. He went to New York. Appreciate it, sir. Where you had to go to California? You went to California to go get there? Well, that look like they got doing sun and green. You feel me? Stop playing. Yeah, she just got that barrel right there, y'all. She just picked that barrel. My daughter. That's what she coming for. Then I need to go in the house. No cap.
They only think they see you.
Boy, if you don't.
You try. She looking at the camera like, did he get it? Did he get it? She was like, oh my God, looking at the camera the whole time saying, what going on, Mocha? Hey, guy. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna make all that.
Superpower! Infinity Goblin! My pocket is cold!
Shawty didn't even flinch, y'all. She ain't even flinch. Cinnamon a real trooper. Stop
Okay.
Woo. I'm gonna put this in a wheelbarrow. Look how big this stick is. Look how big this stick is.
I need a machete. I can break it right here.
This stick came off just easy.
We cool. We cool.
Okay, watch outside. Mama gotta come through here. Mama taking this straight over there.
What?
Watch out, y'all.
Y'all see we got these vines up, man. I tell you what, down here, boy, them vines, they run wild. You see my son? He just came back from California from getting a raid. I asked him to pick up the trees, the branches. Now look where he at. Look at y'all see it. Hard to find good help, I tell you. Dogs want a piece of cat meat. Put the hat back on. It's just a weed eater. It's just a weed eater. What's wrong? That major, y'all. Michael got a boyfriend. Now he wanna come over here and bark like he the king. Y'all see him over there? Mocha. Hey girl. Hey Major.
Right here. I was trying to find side of that cut because there's a piece right here. Look. It went all right there.
Oh, it's deep.
No, it's over that way.
Watch out.
I think them vines can get ran over though. But I'm gonna try to move some more out the way because it's open up over there.
Yeah, they will because I think they're almost went over this here.
It's hard to find good Mexicans when you need it. Migo! Cat playing with him. It's just a big ball out there today. So y'all done working? What y'all playing tic-tac-toe with the cat? Look at the cat. Trying to climb the fence. They out there fighting. Got another one over here.
Playing tag.
So I got... Who barking and backing up at the same time? I'm telling y'all, the dog won't cat meat. For real. Oh, that mug. Y'all didn't see that though. Broken right there. He ran all the way through the city right there. We're gonna call this one over here Brookadale High Avenue. Y'all clear? It was one. I gave y'all two, but it was one. It was one, no kidding. Here you go. That's the power behind it, you feel me? That is. I tell you, cats, they're like little freaking babies. She wanna get rubbed, ain't that right, Goldie? Yeah.
Emotional, damn it.
I cut it from there. Cut it from there. And it's still going all over there. We just wrapped it. Like a freaking snake. Look at it. Y'all see it out there? Freaking snake. All the way out there. We gotta get them up though. We need to clear. We need. There's another down there too. I just don't know. Oh, that fuck was in there. I'm pretty sure that one. He must have had animals back in '96 or '98. So y'all, tomorrow I might edit this video. It might go out. Let y'all see it when we got this little piece. Y'all stay tuned though, cause we got pecan trees that we gotta go get to put out here. They didn't
Haven't decided. You know what we trying to do?
I don't know. We gotta figure that out too, because they wasn't. I called last year, but they wouldn't sell them until like January the 24th. So we said okay, and they already 6 feet, so I'm gonna get 5 on. I'll let y'all know the price that day. Matter of fact, hold up. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Cause hey, y'all see what we doing? We working.
Y'all make sure y'all share it too.
We working.
Okay.
Stop playing now. But yeah, we cut down trees over there too. So all of this, so y'all imagine. Let me see for a minute. Just imagine. I'm gonna give y'all a round view. That I had all the way from that end, all the way. You feel what I'm saying? Let me go up with you. All the way around. We ain't gonna go too far back there, but we're gonna try to get that cleaned out back there. And we're gonna have it straight this way, a pasture. And we're gonna try to do the garden a little different this year. So y'all stay tuned for that. Like I said, stop playing, like the video. Come on now, it don't cost you nothing. Stop playing, share it too. Tell a friend that we homestead, you dig?
I'm getting in my bag, that's a pink influence. You reaching for my bag, you can't get to it. Stacking up my money, call it let go.
And that's how you do it. That's why I said, you know, they call me Captain Morgan. You feel what I'm saying? So, y'all get it out the mud. Well, listen here. For just a subscriber day, you can be able to see what we post, follow us, you know. So share it, man. Come on, man. Y'all don't leave a like, man. Follow your boy, you feel what I'm saying? The cat said follow. The cat said follow. But yeah, till next time, y'all remember, look out for that video. We're going to get them pecan trees, and it's getting close. I thought I heard a deer. I'm about to pull out the 40. Get out of here.